Hi, my name is Lauren Loudon, Product Manager at LabSphere, where we empower you to measure any light source, create any spectrum, and reflect any wavelength. Welcome to our Light Metrology video series. In this series, I will be demonstrating light measurement using an integrating sphere. I will go through this process using one of our Illumia Plus 2 light metrology systems powered by our Integral software. For part 2 of our light metrology video series, I'm going to show you how to create a hardware set and choose a measurement geometry using Integral. We have a pretty simple hardware set on this system. We just have a CDS 600 spectrometer, an LPS 175 power supply, and an ICM control module for routing power from the power supply to the integrating sphere. From the left-hand column in the Integral User Interface, select Choose in the Hardware Set section under System Hardware. We can check our available devices to see what hardware is connected to our system before creating a hardware set. Then click Create. Choose a name for the hardware set and enter any information needed to identify and categorize the hardware set. Now select the connected devices from the drop-down menus to build the hardware set. Click Create, then Activate. So for our setup, we're going to be using a 2π measurement geometry. Our test lamp emits light in a less than 2π steradian divergence, and because of that, we have a 2π calibration bulb in our sphere. Select Choose next to Measurement Geometry. There are several measurement geometries to choose from in Integral. Each selection routes power from the power supply through the control module to the integrating sphere in the appropriate geometry. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out all the videos in this series to learn more about light measurement using an integrating sphere.